Hey y'all, long time no see. Like my hair is grown out white. So you always knew me with white hair, I just had it colored. So I'm back. 2 shoulder surgeries, and Dave had a brain surgery, and all of them the last couple of years, so I've been a little on hiatus. So I'm back. We're gonna do a delicious chicken salad today, Southern style. Well, I call it Southern style because I make it down south, but easy. I boiled a couple of chicken breasts that I had in the freezer, shredded them. I've got some celery, dump that in. I have some dark grapes that I halved, dump that in. I've got some pecans off of our tree. And I don't know, do you say pecan or pecan? Pecan or pecan? I'm a pecan person. I've been told I say it wrong. But I call them pecans. I'm just gonna rough chop them real quick because I didn't do it. These are from 3 years ago. Yeah, no, 2 years ago. And the trees haven't produced. We had a huge harvest 2 years ago, and these are the last of my pecans. But if you freeze them, they keep really well. So I'm gonna take the pecans, excuse me just a minute, y'all, and dump them in. Ta-da! This is so easy, so easy. All right, so far we have the chicken, we have the celery, we have pecans, we have grapes. Whoops, one more little thing. You know, nothing's changed. I'm just as crazy as I was before. Some chopped onion, okay? Salt. Pepper. All this is to taste. I like to put a little bit of garlic. This is garlic salt, a coarse garlic salt. I like to put some of this. You can tell I use a lot of it. I've got a big container. I like to put some of that in there. Some mayo. And I know everybody has their preference in mayo. I'm not a Miracle Whip person, not at all. I don't like sweet. I'm a diabetic anyway, so I can't have a lot of sweet. But you know, I know there's all kinds of different mayo. You use your favorite ones. I use Duke, and I'm appalled. I'm absolutely appalled that what I could get for $2, well, $1.99 4 years ago is now $5.49 at the grocery store this morning. I mean, seriously, people? Now this is gonna have a little bit of crunch, a little bit of spice because of the onion, crunch because of the celery, and a little bit of sweet because of the grapes. And it is delicious. Let me taste it and see if I need anything else or more of anything. Let's get a little bit of everything there. Right on the money. Right on the money. So give it a try. Marty's Southern chicken salad. This is just 2 chicken breasts that's been shredded up. Try it sometime, you'll love it. Take care, guys. I'm gonna see you real soon with some more cooking. We're gonna be doing collards, black-eyed peas, and fried Southern hog jowl. Real soon, like probably tomorrow. You guys take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.